Now at 5:30, new legislation looks to expand access to recovery programs for those suffering from addiction. Coming up, we have reaction to that legislation.
Plus, President Donald Trump wants to sign his federal spending bill by the holiday weekend. The latest from Capitol Hill straight ahead. News 10 at 5:30 starts right now.
First alert weather and live local coverage. This is News 10.
The state health department says opioid overdose deaths are steadily dropping in Michigan, but some lawmakers are pushing for changes to beat the epidemic for good. Good evening. I'm Amaya Kaznicki.
And I'm David Andrews. The state Senate just passed a package of bills that aims to cut out the middleman for people in drug recovery. News 10's Riley Connell here in studio tonight to tell us more about that. Riley?
Yeah, David, Amaya, there are 7 proposals included in this package. They would make changes to the way that the state health department, pharmacists, and recovery organizations can treat addiction. Senator Kevin Hertel, who sponsored some of the legislation, is hoping it can break down barriers to treatment.
We've seen in recent history how this has become an epidemic amongst so many of our communities.
Opioid addiction affects people of all types and all ages in Michigan, but the resources each patient needs to recover might vary. That's why Michigan senators are pushing to pass a number of laws to open doors to recovery tools.
Through this package, we open up access to more addiction medicines so that people can get the help that they need. We open up more access to the prescribing of those drugs.
The bills would remove the need for prior authorization by a healthcare provider for any prescription drug that's used to treat opioid withdrawal and requires insurance companies to cover opioid and alcohol addiction medicines even without prior authorization.
And really doing everything we can so that somebody who's struggling with addiction can get the support they need here in the state of Michigan to have another chance.
With poisoning by deadly synthetic opioids like carfentanil on the rise, recovery groups say easy access to treatment is more important than ever.
When people are actively using, you can see the only safe way to go about surviving with carfentanil out there is no use.
The Senate bill pack will now go to the House of Representatives. Hertel says he's confident lawmakers there will support it as well. David, back to you.
All right, Riley, thank you. Also under this package of bills, fentanyl testing strips will no longer be classified as drug paraphernalia, and school nurses will be required to carry naloxone, a substance that can reverse the effects of an opioid overdose.
The heat and humidity